Flowsheet templates are typical system models stored as a separate file for future applications. Since these templates are stored, they can be easily inserted into future models, making development of hydraulic models faster. For example, a standard pump or valve station frequently used can be created as a template and can be inserted into future hydraulic models. The succeeding slides explain how to create these useful templates in FluidFlow. Users may create the desired model on a new flow sheet or on an existing hydraulic model by selecting the components relevant to the desired flow sheet template. Once completed, click the Save Selected As Template from the File tab and specify an appropriate file name to create an FFT or template file. The saved template can be inserted into any new or existing project by accessing the template file through the File tab under the Insert Template feature. Take note that when inserting flowsheet template, the junctions automatically created during connection should be considered. These can be deleted or changed based on the appropriate node type specific to the model. Also, templates can be edited by inserting the relevant template to a new flowsheet and saving it as a template with the same template file name to overwrite the original file. Creating flowsheet templates is especially useful when developing typical configurations in hydraulic models. The next topic will explore various display features available within FluidFlow.